you learn how to do all that stuff?
Just practice. Every day, all day, hours of practice, non-stop practice.
My name is Travis McGehee. I got about 12 years flight experience with RC. Basically in here is an autopilot system. It's got accelerometers, gyro stabilizer, GPS, and I have a computer over there that I punched in waypoints, and all you have to do is take the mouse, click it where you want it to be in Google Earth, put the point in the air, put it into auto mode, and autopilot takes over and flies the waypoints.
My name's Steve Royer, and I've been flying RC aircraft for about 25 years. Okay, well, the quad rotor is controlled by GPS and a small processor, about no bigger than the size of a matchbox. And it's all pre-programmed on a computer that I do at home. And so no matter where I am, once I plug the battery in on the quad rotor, it knows its location.
My name is Bert Eason. I'm a member of the club, and I've actually been flying since 1992. I've seen a lot of people flying RC airplanes, and I decided to get into it. Unfortunately, I had to stop, but then I started back again in 2002, and I've just been really enjoying it. I started out with a little styrofoam from Walmart, and eventually progressed into bigger, faster jets.
My name is Michael Hunter. I've been flying for three and a half years maybe. I fly for a company out of St. Louis, Missouri called Red Wing RC, and this is one of their planes. It's an extra 330. They primarily do 3D aircraft, which is style flying.